Good day cruisers, and welcome back for another day of our popular Cruise Hive news updates. Thank you for joining as we look to kick on with a further 4 news stories. We take a look at Carnival explains why no laundry rooms on its largest ships. We reveal cruise director retires, as well as an entertainment overhaul and Carnival's ice cream. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Oceana Cruises is launching a fleet-wide entertainment upgrade, highlighted by the new Blue Horizons party, first seen on Oceana Marina and now expanding across all ships. Guests will don blue attire, enjoy live music and sip signature cocktails. Wellness programs begin at sunrise and theme parties, new stage shows and enrichment activities follow. The Oceana Vista launched in 2023 and Oceana Allure, debuting July the 18th from Trieste in Italy, will anchor these changes. Oceana Riviera will sail to Alaska for the first time in summer, while Oceana Regatta moves to Tahiti. After 9 unforgettable years with Carnival Cruise Line, popular cruise director Jake Miller has officially announced his retirement. Miller, who began his career through inaugural internship at sea in summer 2016 and became cruise director in 2021, shared the news via social media. He served aboard ships include Carnival Magic, Carnival Legend, Glory Spirit and Carnival Sunrise. In February 2024, he received the St. Jude Champion Award for raising over $150,000. Though his future plans remain unclear, Jake signs off with his trademark, Jake It Easy. Carnival's 3 largest ships, Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration and Carnival Jubilee, each carry over 5,000 guests, but none offer self-service laundry rooms. Why? Well, according to brand ambassador John Hield, space and demand make it unfeasible. Now, if just 1% of guests did laundry, hundreds would compete for limited machines, leading to crowding and complaints. Carnival prefers offering paid laundry service instead. The decision reflects priorities, guest capacity and stateroom revenue over on-board laundry access. Future Project A ships will likely follow suit. Carnival Cruise Line has confirmed that its popular self-service ice cream stations, available until midnight aboard all ships, will remain unchanged, despite guest concerns over messy machines and waste, especially during peak seasons. Brand ambassador John Hield emphasised that allowing guests to serve themselves is a key part of the Carnival experience. It's been like this for almost 40 years, Hield noted. Now, while some cruise lines use crew servers, Carnival believes the DIY treat is part of the fun for kids and adults alike. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.